So this is how we're gonna do this free trial, and you need to use the link on my video. I would really appreciate if you use it because I can get a referral if at the end of the trial you decide to keep the tool. So thank you so much for using that link. And this is what is gonna happen. So this is the view that you are gonna have. So as you can see, it's already very eye-catching. These are some examples of the creatives. They are really, really good. So what you're gonna hit is that big red button at the top right hand that says Get Started for free. And you have some options to get this 7-day trial where we're gonna be able to do many things. So I encourage you to take this trial because we're going to be able to create content for 1 month, so it's going to be amazing. Try the tool with these instructions. You can either select do it with your email, or you can log in with Google, or you can log in with Facebook. If you log in with Facebook, you can give it access to your pages, and this will make also easier that you connect them after that for the scheduling, which is another feature that I really love because you are practically saving money on the Canva Pro because they do the designs. You're saving on ChatGPT Pro because for AI image generation, you don't need it. Blaze does it as well, and you don't need Hootsuite, Buffer, or any tool that you're using for programming your posts through different platforms. Blaze do all those things for you, so it's really like saving a lot of money. So I'm gonna go with email. It goes really quick. It tells you a verification in the email that you put, so pretty quickly. Now we fill the name. And then here's where this first, get to know each other starts, which is really important that you describe the best you can who you are and what are the objectives of using Blaze. So in my case, I am a marketing agency. Let's say that I'm signing up to create months of content. How big is my company? Just me. And how do you hear about Blaze? You can say from YouTube, and let's go in. So here to start our new trial is going to ask us for our credit card, but don't worry, like you can cancel it before the 7 days. This is one of the good tools that sends you a reminder 2 days before, so you have time to cancel. Of course, if you go for the annual plan, you have a lot more of discount, which I will encourage you to do, but if not, starting with the monthly plan, that's more than enough. Only $49 a month. Perfect. Now that we start the free trial, let's start giving all the information about our brand. So I'm going to pretend that let's say that I have a business that I'm a psychologist. I'm gonna go with that. I'm gonna use one of my old clients to do this example and see how it goes. So how do you describe your marketing experience? This is very important because it's gonna tell you like how much onboarding you are gonna need, and it's gonna give you more examples. I say like, I'm learning the ropes. I've got things started. So now is the time for your brand kit. So this is gonna be amazing because you are gonna be able to have all in this case. It's super easy. You don't have to know, the colors, the X codes, or like nothing like that. You can just put your website here and it starts analyzing. It's gonna analyze the colors that you're doing, the scraping the fonts that you're using. So imagine you're gonna have a coherence between the website and the publication. If you don't have a website, there's also an option. So now it's pulling photos as well. Imagine if you have an e-commerce, like you can easily as well get all the different e-commerce products that you have in there. So here comes like a little bit of the brand kit. You can personalize, pick up the colors if you say like, okay, this is not really my colors in here, but we will see here that this is exactly like the colors that we are using. So it brought them perfectly. I'm gonna choose these ones as well. And now the pictures, these are some of the pictures that they weren't going to start. Like, don't get too worried about it, because after that you can add yours, you can modify, you can create with AI new ones. So everything's going to be fine, don't worry. Let's go to brand and voice. And here is where the magic really starts, because you can definitely try to add your own voice in purpose. Like you can try to see how it goes. Like for example, this is a psychotherapy, so Blaze is, after analyzing the AI, is suggesting me connect with users as friends, promote personal development, therapy services, but this is going to be absolutely adapted to what are you doing. So if you're a lawyer, maybe you are going for a more formal type of communication, but everything is going to be like analyzed by AI, and of course you have the chance to personalize it. The audience, this one is who you're talking to. So he says individuals seeking personal development, like got it spot on. Studies of psychology, yeah, because we also sell a course. And potential clients for therapy is absolutely right. The tone, supportive, encouraging, informative, those are like good things. I think I like it. Emotions, positive, optimistic, and empathetic, I like it too. The character, like a trusted advisor, relatable expert. I'm going to add here like a humanistic psychology. I think this is going to make it a lot more relatable. And how do I want the brand voice to sound? I want clear and direct language, encouragement, engagement with questions, incorporate calls to action. Amazing. Language simple, informal, and accessible. Perfect. Let's save this brand kit. And now in the onboarding takes me to my first design. So do I want to do first an Instagram post, a Facebook post, a LinkedIn post, or a blog post? Let's start with a Facebook post. What do you think? So I just choose it, and then it's asking me a design that I would like to start with. So I like this one that has like innovative techniques for healing. Exploring innovative psychology techniques can be transformative from any year psychology dynamics. So it's not only creating one post. Let's see all templates, because these are like all the templates we have here. Oh my god, look at all this. Let's start with this. So I selected this template that I like it, and now I have the picture and the text adapted. This is a thing that you cannot do in Canva. When in Canva you select a new layout, it replaces the current one. It's something that always stresses me, that I want to see the same content in different layouts, and you cannot do that, and here you can do it. So you can either go ahead with the caption that I have done it, or you can write your own. You can regenerate a new one, and you can design here. It says allocation, like you have your own folder. This is going to be great because, for example, this client has different services, and here we're going to be able to create this content and put it in different folders. So as you see, this was super fast. I'm thinking longer because I'm explaining every little thing. I want you to really understand this tool fully, but as you can see, it's super fast. And here back we have the connect account, which as I told you, if you give access to Blaze, it's going to be super easy to give access to any or all of your pages. In this case, I'm going to make some tests with this. As I say, I don't want to go ahead. Also, it has access to your business account, because you can also do ads, not only posts, but ads. So that's amazing news. I'm going to go ahead and then just click save and wait a little minute, and it's being connected. See, it was super easy. So we go ahead to generate post, and we just wait a couple of seconds, and we have it already here. So here it comes more chances for optimization and customization. We can add the logo or not. So look at this. If I want the logo on it, I have it ready. Did you notice that it got the logo by itself? I didn't even have to upload it. This is one of the things that I love, that everything is just there. The brand kit is ready. Unlike Canva, where you have to put up your own brand kit. So I love it. I'm going to stop talking about Canva, but I really love Canva, and I actually still use it because sometimes I just need like very complex designs. But this tool, Blaze, it is perfect if you have a headache with Canva, if you don't understand where the things are, if it takes you hours to create one post, forget about that. Go to Blaze, try it out, and you are going to thank me later. So it is ready. I'm going to click here in share for review, and see all the other services that you can have connected. The WordPress for the blogs. We're gonna do a video about this as well. On X, LinkedIn, Instagram, TikTok. This is the majority of services that my clients or the people that I help consulting is like the social media that they have. This is perfect for all of this. And if you are wanting something more advanced, Zapier and an API that would allow you to do magic and some crazy automations, but you don't stress about that. Just posting it, that will be more than enough. So after we took over, be very careful here, right there, we have a little button to hide or unhide the editions. Once it is ready, you just have to hit publish. And we have more magic. As I said before, this tool is gonna allow you to schedule posts. You're not gonna have to use any other tool. You don't have to download it and then post it again or get you a reminder or get you another external tool. Blaze do it that for you as well. So that's what I love it. So I can go with the schedule post for later, and I'm gonna go, let's say the Tuesday, and then let's choose a more normal, like 3 p.m. and schedule now or post now if you didn't want to do this. And from here you can choose where to post it. Of course, right now I only have one social network connected, that's why I only have this, but when you connect more than one, you're gonna have the options to post from here to every single page, and it's gonna be amazing because it's gonna save you so much time. So after we post that, and if you really think this is a very good topic, like this is incredible because you can do more things. You can turn this into other content types. You can copy the caption to clipboard if you are posting it now, or you can download the media if you don't want to keep it here, if you don't want to schedule it, if you are just trying out and you want the picture, you can download the media, don't worry. But let's try turning it into different things. So here says how do you want to turn this one piece into multiple content. You can either choose multiple pieces of content in different channels or turn it into a single piece of content. So let's say multiple choices. And now this post automatically, I can transform it into an Instagram square post. I can post it as a LinkedIn visual post. You know what, I want it to be like a Twitter thread as well. And then we have more and more options. What about an Instagram reel? You want to see how it looks in a video? Let's do it. And TikTok, I want a TikTok post. And I also want a blog about it. Oh my God, I'm going crazy. Okay, let's go confirm details and let's wait. I'm not cutting time. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't want to cut time. I want you to see in real time how long it takes to start creating all these different posts. Here we go. Here they are. Oh my God. So just like that, I have this content ready for different things. I have it for Instagram Square and I can edit it if I don't like it. I have it for LinkedIn ready. I have it for TikTok and I have it for Instagram. Let's check it out. Let's check the reel. Let's see how it goes. So we're gonna click generate content. Oh, and one thing that I forgot, you can change the language. Like you can generate it in all these different languages. Is amazing really what you can do. So I'm gonna go with Spanish because this client actually does their marketing in Spanish. It's from Spain. And now let's go with generate content. Let's go home to see where is the content that we've been working here, and we see that in recent work. I'm still getting some of the onboarding. I will skip it, but I recommend you to go through the onboarding to see where things are, or you can always come back to this screen or to this video to see it. But as you see, the panel is super friendly. We have, similar to Canva, everything on the left, the calendar, the templates, the brand kits, uploads. Remember that you can upload manually some of the pictures. If you don't have it on the website and you want to use your pictures, you absolutely can do that. And here we have the calendar, which is going to show us what we have for the next 3 days. So let's see all. So not only is going to give us all the tools that I have told you before, it's going to analyze the success of each post. Can you believe it? We're gonna have this panel of content analytics when we're gonna have like the post, how many impressions, how many new followers, how many profile views, and this is gonna be great. Why? Because it's gonna let us know which type of content is working better for us. So this is a different tool like Metricool that you are saving, because here you're gonna have everything centralized. If by any chance you are a marketing agency that are doing this for other people, this is gonna help you as well with the reports. And if you need to approve, this is one thing for me, is to have like a content calendar where the people, the clients can review and approve. This is also going to do that for you, so we're saving another tool. So all right, let's go back and see these, the recent work, the ones that we sent to do. They're already here, okay? Just look at all these. So we were talking about the LinkedIn visual post. Here it is, it's in Spanish. The copy in Spanish, this is in Spanish, and it's amazing how fast it do it. Let's go back, let's check the video. And to make it be like a video, what we're gonna do is we're gonna click media. And when you scroll down, you can have here like the option to upload your own video, create image with AI, or you have a great variety of stock videos. Yes, so I'm gonna look for psychology. I'm gonna choose this video. We are also, just think about it, we're also just like saving on the stock photos, on the stock videos. So similar to Canva, I can use this video for creating content. So we have a stock video to create videos, and you can also upload your own video. So I'm gonna export design just to see how the video looks, and just after a couple of seconds it's ready for download. Amazing video. We have it ready. And then, as I say, then you can repurpose, schedule it, publish it. It is really fantastic. So that's for now. I'm gonna make more videos about this fantastic tool, to how to getting the best out of it, creating more examples, scheduling, etc. But for now, this is a great introduction. Remember to use the link on my bio. You will help me a lot. And keep an eye, subscribe to my channel, because I'm gonna keep posting more of these videos. See you later. Bye bye.